Come on, buddy. Get up.
Come on, sweetie. Can you put it in? Over here, baby. Xavier.
Xavier, come over here.
Xavier, come on. Come on, baby. Let's find eggs.
Xavier.
Xavier.
Let's go ahead.
Come on, baby.
He got his one. He's happy.
Come on. Come on, baby. Come on.
No, over here.
Over here, honey.
See that one?
What's this? Xavier, do you see this? What is that? Xavier, what is that? Yay! Can you put it in the basket? Can you put it in the basket?
We're going to do a 10 count.